Hello, I'm Tom Kitch. I'd like to sing a song from the Beatles from 1965 from their album Rubber Soul, written mostly by John Lennon, some Paul McCartney. And it's Norwegian Wood, which actually has a longer title. Norwegian Wood, parentheses, this bird has flown, end of parentheses. Most people just say Norwegian Wood. I once had a girl, or should I say, she once had me. She showed me her room, isn't it good, Norwegian wood. She asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. I sat on a rug, biding my time, drinking her wine. We talked until 2, and then she said, it's time for bed. She told me she worked in the morning and started to laugh. I told her I didn't and crawled off to sleep in the bath. And when I awoke, I was alone. This bird had flown. So I lit a fire. Isn't it good, Norwegian wood? The Beatles, Norwegian wood. This bird has flown. If you like my singing, my name is Tom Kitch, Tomkitch. You can write to me on my computer at tomkitchmusic@yahoo.com, all small case letters. Or you can send me a picture postcard from your hometown or from anywhere on the road to my P.O. Box 81442, San Diego, California, 92138, United States of America.